Hey, what's going on? Welcome back to the channel. So it's that time again, and we are gonna go over my dividend income for the month of October, because for the last September, I actually earned around $26, and that really made me happy because it was bigger than what I had earned back in August. For October, it's actually quite juicy. I'm just letting you know that already, but we're gonna go over that later on because we're also gonna be adding more to our positions, basically buying more stock, and also we're gonna go over some news with Acorns. And yes, I'm actually quitting the app. So there's a lot of things that we're gonna go over in this video, so make sure to hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell, and also like the video if you like the content here so far in the channel. And I just want to thank you for doing that, and let's go do this video. So first, let's talk about Acorns. Back in my September dividend video, one of the commenters actually said that I needed to check on my Acorns investment. My subscription to the service was actually eating up my returns, and when I looked at it, it actually was. And I know why it was eating up my returns, because you see, Acorns rounds up your purchases through your linked account to the nearest dollar, and once that amount actually reaches to $5, it is then invested through the app. I mentioned this because I've started to implement a financially minimalistic lifestyle. This means that I rarely spend on things that I actually don't need, and since I don't spend a lot of money anyway, that means that I don't use my debit card that often. The only time that I actually use my debit card is when I use it to pay for my student loans, for my Spotify subscription, whenever I do my monthly contribution to the family, or when Digit, my savings app, actually takes money away. That's literally it. For most of my expenses, which primarily includes software subscriptions, I use a separate debit card that is solely for business. So as you can see, it's pretty useless for me to keep using Acorns since they charge me $1 every month to keep using the app. My dividend income there, it's less than 50 cents every month. And then for my roundups, I rarely get to $5 because it usually takes me 1.5 months to 2 months to actually get to that level. Maybe it would have been worth it if I had more invested in the platform so I can make more dividends, but unfortunately I don't have much in it. Plus, my needs have started to change as well. Now I prefer using platforms that show more data for each individual stock, especially with dividend calendars, because I want to know when I'm going to get paid and how much I'm actually going to get paid for it. And with Acorns, I don't exactly have full control of where my money is going. Acorns is basically an app that is perfect for beginning investors who don't have the time to actually pick individual stocks. However, though, I still recommend Acorns to anyone who wants to start investing and let the app do the investing for them. So I am going to leave a link below this video so you can get free $5 when you sign up for the app. My needs have definitely changed, and that's the only reason why I'm actually leaving the app. But anyway, let's go over the real purpose of this video, and that is to go over all the dividends that I made for the month of October. We're also going to buy stocks or add more to my positions at the end of each walkthrough so we don't have to go back and forth with each platform. So first, let's go with TDAmeritrade. Alright, so we're here at the accounts dashboards right here on TDAmeritrade, and we're gonna go over to history right here. I've pretty much populated the data here already from October 1 to October 31, and as you can see, we've earned 246 types of dividends basically. So first one on October 1st, we made $2.33 with PCI, and then for GNL we made $40.49. The biggest one that I've made in this platform so far is with GNL, and GNL actually pays out quarterly, and usually before they actually pay out monthly, but now they switch to a quarterly. That's why you got this big dividend distribution. The next one is with O, and we earned $1.92. Apple $6.31, and then Stag we made $2.44. CLM we earned 37 cents here. Now I actually bought stock already, and I bought it around October 16, and if we actually go over to the orders right here, as you can see right here, it actually says that I bought 8 shares of Apple at $16.09, and yeah, it was already filled, so that added to my positions already. So hopefully by the next month or for November, this amount right here for Apple would increase probably around, I don't know, maybe another $1 perhaps, but we'll see more, and when that happens I will let you know in the next video. And that's pretty much it for TDAmeritrade. Okay, so next one we're gonna go to is Stash right here. So now we are at the dashboard right here. We're gonna go over to personal portfolio, see how much we actually earned here. Delicious dividends, that's where most of my money is actually invested in, and I do have something in high voltage. But let's see on the activities right here, see all, And for the month of October, no, I actually only earned 29 cents, and this was for my high voltage investment. So, and then I had to pay $3 for the subscription payment. So as you can see, you gotta make sure that your returns aren't getting eaten up by by your subscription payments. So this is something that I was also thinking about when I actually looked at my Acorns as well. I was thinking, should I still actually be in Stash, or should I just move it to WeBull? So we'll see how my deliberations will go for the next month. All right, so let's see if we can actually add more to my position here. Let's go over to my dashboard portfolio here, and it says I have $8.70 to actually invest. So let's just invest it on delicious dividends. I feel like that's where I would pretty much be making more. Let's see, buy, and turn amount to invest in your portfolio. I have $8, so let's just put 8. Cash to invest. Yes, I will put cash to invest. Buy $8 of delicious dividends. All right, cool. All right, I think that's pretty much it. Let's see if it changed. There you go, it changed actually. Now I only have 70 cents to invest, and it pretty much added more to our delicious dividends position. And this transaction, or this order, will actually be filled the next trading day, because I'm actually filming this one when the markets have already closed. And that's pretty much it for Stash. So the next one is Acorns, and I know that I said that I'm actually quitting Acorns, but I still would like to see how much I actually earned here, and what do I actually do with the money I've invested through Acorns, right? So as you can see here, it's already $0, right? Let's see my roundups. It's right over there, blah blah blah. All the stuff, all the information is in here. So let's see. For the past, right, I'm gonna go swipe right, and you can see that I actually withdraw all the money that I have here. So for the month of October, I earned 13 cents in dividends, and that's pretty much it, right? And then after my Acorn subscription was $1. So I withdrew $69, basically all the money that I have invested in Acorns. And where is that money actually gonna go? And that money is actually gonna go to WeBull, the next one that we're gonna go to. So for now, that's pretty much it for Acorns. All right, next is WeBull. Now in here, we're gonna go to the accounts dashboards right here. As you can see, there's actually a ticker announcement that says $69 will be deposited into my account, but I will already get $69 of instant buying power. What's good about WeBull is that they allow you to do that. So for example, if you deposited $100 today, it won't be processed until 3 to 5 business days, but they give you the power to actually trade already with your $100. So this means that previously I had $19 in my balance, and since I deposited $69, I would get that $69 already as my buying power. Now my buying power is $88. Now, since right now I can't actually go over and trade with WeBull because it's already after market hours, so I can't really trade until the next trading day. So I'm just gonna let you know that once I actually when it's trading day or trading hours, I'm actually going to invest again in good. And with the price right now, I think I can only buy around 3, so I'm just gonna do that. And with good dividends, I think I'm earning around 1.25 cents per each share that I earn. So if I add that one times 3, so that would give me around 34 cents, at least 33 cents, in addition to my 50 cents in earnings already from my current position for good. So that brings me up to like around 84 cents per month. So that's not big, but we're growing this portfolio anyway, so that's the plan. So yeah, going back to kind of like how much dividends, if you look here at the funds for 1031, I got paid 50 cents again for good dividends. So what can we do? That's pretty much it. I know that that's not exactly the most ideal dividend amount that I'm getting right now, but it's a work in progress, so I'm totally okay with that. So yeah, hopefully in the next month we're gonna be hitting around 84 cents per month, and then after that we're just gonna keep on growing it. Gonna reinvest all the money that I make here, or any type of money that I make extra in the side. I'll probably just like put it here, of course only after I paid off my student loans, and I'm gonna do that here. But yeah, that's pretty much it for WeBull. So I ended up selling Mizuho and Ericsson, which were 2 of the other stocks that I owned besides Gladstone Commercial. Those 2 stocks I actually got when I signed up for WeBull. So if you want 2 free stocks, definitely download and sign up through the link in the description below. so that you can get your 2 free stocks as well to start out. But yeah, when I sold them, I actually got more buying power. So instead of just like buying 3 for Gladstone commercial, I ended up buying 4. So I guess that would increase my dividend income for the next month for Gladstone commercial to 50 cents again. So at least that would get me like $1 per month for this stock. All right, so if we combine all of the dividend earnings that I made for the month of October, around $53 came from TD Ameritrade, and then 13 cents came from Acorns, around 29 cents came from Stash, and then 50 cents came from WeBull. Overall, it kind of like amounts to $54.78, and that's a pretty good month for me. And we've also bought more stocks in TD Ameritrade. We've also bought in WeBull. But yeah, it's a really great month for me, and I'm really happy that this is how it resulted to. And that's it for October's dividend income video. I hope you enjoyed watching that one. And you know, we've made some really good results here, and we'll pretty much see how much we can earn more in the month of November. I really love it when I see the increase in the results, because it keeps me motivated to just keep on doing this. We're going to start building this portfolio slowly, and whenever I get extra money to invest, especially after, you know, paying off my student loans first, we're going to invest that money. So we always have to play the long game here. If you haven't done so yet, subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell as well, so that you get notified whenever I upload videos just like this one. And also, if you like the content here so far, please leave a thumbs up, and also comment down below any questions that you might have for me. Also, add me on Instagram at Dredd. I'm really active there anyway. I'm there most of the time. You can send me questions there as well, DMs, share some stories, ideas, or any articles that you'd like me to create video about. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you have a wonderful day, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye.